Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another market analysis or market breakdown for the week. So we're just gonna go through our normal DXY, go through gold, and see what we have, see what happened last week, and what could be happening coming into the next couple of weeks. The first quarter of the year is about to end at the end of this month, so first quarter done. Always good to look back at your uh, data or your trades for the past 3 months, analyze what you did wrong, analyze all the successful trades, analyze all the failed trades, see where you went right, see where you went wrong, and then improve your strategy from there. Uh, but right now, just looking at the DXY, if we just try rewind to where we were last week, the uh, let me let me drop down to a lower time frame. So from last week's analysis, the market had done this. We had this significant low here, where the market did break and close below on a D1 time frame, and then we had this bearish flag pattern. Properly. This bearish flag pattern, the market did break out, retest, and drop. So from here, we're expecting the market to react from this order block or from this order block, but the market did not do that. It broke through all these order blocks and broke through this previous high. And the market is looks like the dollar is going up. It looks like the dollar is going up. Let me just erase all of this. So it looks like the dollar is going up. The dollar is going up. There is still one zone that's important. There is still one zone that's important, which is up here. If the dollar does manage to break above this zone and close above this zone, then we know the dollar is bullish. The dollar is bullish. But even without that happening, if we go to a larger time frame, go to the D1. This is what I'm seeing right now, right? I am seeing this heavy extension of price, this push down, and now I'm seeing the dollar could be accumulating for a big move to come back into this zone right here, and then give us that massive sell-off that we've been looking for to come break these lows down here. So from what I'm seeing that the dollar could be rising to come back into this very important, very strong order block on the weekly. This one right here. And then give us that massive sell-off. So right now it's an important time. We just need to wait and see if the dollar can close above this previous high. And we know, okay, we are coming somewhere up here for a reversal, for a reversal, for a reversal. So that's my view on the dollar right now. I'm partially bullish, waiting for some confirmation, but I'm partially bullish on the dollar from further analysis. Last week, if we had broken this low down here, if we had continued lower, if the market had reacted from here and then continued lower, then we know, no, we're definitely bearish on the dollar and we'd expect more bullish movement on gold. But however, right now, from what I'm seeing, I'm expecting, and looking at the dollar, it looks like it's bullish right now, and it's going to give us more bullish movements. And we have this blue zone up here that we're currently targeting for sells on the dollar. So moving into gold quickly, if you look at gold last week, this was our analysis last week. We had this bullish flag pattern, right? And then we had FOMC on Wednesday. Trades were right here, stop loss below the order block. We had this small order block holding price. So stop loss was there. So that was a nice trade. That was a very nice trade, very nice trade, very nice trade. So that was the analysis for last week, and that played out perfectly. So right now, after analyzing the DXY and seeing that we may have a possible bullish movement on the DXY, this gives me an indication that gold might be trying to sell off. So according to our strategy, what do? We like to trade from trend line to trend line. Uh, when the market was still up here, when the market was still here, I did express that we need to push above here a bit more to get closer to this trend line. And I think this is as close as we're going to get. That is as close as we're going to get. So we like to trade from trend line to trend line. That's how we do it on the daily time frame. So if you look from here, we had that movement to there, that movement to there. Now we had that movement up into there. So we're expecting the market to come back down into here, right? Which goes hand in hand with what we have on the DXY. So right now on gold, what are we doing? We are waiting for our trend, according to our trends. According to our trend line here, we are now in a sell zone. We want to sell from up here and buy from down here. We are now in a sell zone according to our trend lines. So what do? We wait for H4 market structure to confirm that we were selling. So right now, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting to see what the market does. Does it either break and close below here? Then I can expect some sort of sell position to go lower. If it breaks below this previous low and it breaks and closes below, then I'll try look for one of my entry models, either an order block reaction up here, or it will give me some sort of bearish flag pattern. So some sort of flag pattern to the upside. We can mark that, and then we see a drop, or we can react from either one of these order blocks right here. Yeah, so right now we're just waiting for market structure on the H4 to confirm the direction if we're actually wanting to sell. If we're actually wanting to sell, the market can also have this approach where it can come up into here, and then we just have a straight sell-off. If it does that, still perfect. We'll wait for a retracement and probably look for our entry models, either an order block in here or wait for a bearish flag pattern in the form of that, and then we can do that and have that sort of movement. So right now, I'm bearish gold. I'm bullish on the DXY from what I'm seeing today. Things could change depending on what the market does, but from what I'm seeing today, I'm bearish on gold and bullish on the DXY. So yeah, hope everybody has a good trading week. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. Setbacks will always come, but you're always stronger than the setback. You know, the comeback is always stronger than the setback. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep grinding. Uh, let's keep improving our strategies, always looking at the data, always looking at what you did wrong, looking at what you did right, seeing what you can do going forward in the future, and just constantly improving, constantly improving. That's the main thing. Even though it might be hard, it might be difficult, but everything will pay off in the end. Yeah, Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and enjoy your trading week. Bless up.